How to stop apps from restarting your phone automatically. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your phone keeps restarting due to apps, it can be annoying and even dispute important tasks. Here's how you can fix it quickly. First thing first, you want to do is identify your problematic apps. You can do that by checking over to your settings and then go over to your battery usage. From there, just go ahead and scroll down and you can find your battery uses. Tap on view details down below and you'll find all of your battery uses today. Once that is done, you can uninstall or force stop the app that's likely causing the restarts. Then the next step is to disable your background app activity. So for that, you can go ahead and go over to settings and then select any app. From the app section, you can restrict your background activity uses. So let's just go ahead and tap on this. For example, I can go over here, go to battery, and then make sure you select restricted. Once that is done, you can turn off auto restart setting if available. Some Android phones like Samsung or Xiaomi have auto restart option after crash. So for that, you want to find your device care, and from device care, you want to go over to your battery. Then you can find the auto restart option. If you don't find it in battery, go back and go to auto optimization and you'll find the auto restart option. Tap on it, make sure you turn this off and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video guys. I hope it was helpful. Like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.